Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're looking at a very vintage Titan 50 model. This is made in 1957. This is a 6.4 cubic inch, 105cc motor. This one has a 30-inch hard nose bar. And let me show you a few things on this. It's got a manual oil button right here. Fill cap for your oiler. Fill cap for the gasoline. The underside's very clean. Still has paint on it. Original paint. Got those famous wrap handlebars. And there's the clutch side. And this does run very well. We'll fire it up here in a second. It's got that West Bend racing motor in it. Got that West Bend 2732 racing motor, and it really runs good. Most of these motors were taken out and put in go-karts, and so you don't see many of these motors in the chainsaws anymore. Look at that lettering on there. The lettering's in great shape. Let's start it up. Switch right here. A lot of compression. I want to get a good grip on it. It's hard to find a running vintage chainsaw like this one made in 1957, but this one does run very well. I'm not going to make a cut with it. I'll let you do that. When you get it, it's a beautiful saw. You'll enjoy it.